upon which our body works. Nutrition tells us how we feel. It plays an important part in disease, but also in health. Food is a hot item, and we are bombarded with more and more terminology such as diet, low fat, awareness, and healthier. Dietary hypes follow each other in rapid succession, and there are more and more contradictory articles written about nutrition, and they all promise a fit and slender body. But with this overload of information, it can be difficult to find your way. So what is healthy, and what do you need to take into account when you choose your food? Carbohydrates, protein, and fats are basic nutrients that are used by our body. We call these macronutrients. Our body cannot create these essential substances itself, but it does need them in order to function. That is why it is important that we obtain enough from our food. Most products contain protein as well as fats and carbohydrates, but there is often a dominating macronutrition. To obtain a clear image of what these macronutrients do to our bodies, we will discuss them separately. An ideal diet consists of 50% carbohydrates, 30% fats, and 20% protein. It is clear that this balance is different from what is considered normal in our modern society. 80 to 90% of our nutrition consists of carbohydrates. When we look at the primordial of caveman diet, the balance was much closer to the ideal one. The hunter-gatherer ate predominantly fruits, fish, meat, nuts, seeds, and grains. In this dietary path, proteins and fats dominate. And this differs greatly from the bread and therefore also the carbohydrates we eat today. It is good to keep the ideal diet in mind. It consists of 50% carbohydrates, 30% fats, and 20% protein. In our society, it is far from normal to adhere to this balance of the three macronutrients, since usually 80 to 90% of what we consume consists of carbohydrates. The current bread culture plays a major part in this, so be extra alert.